So excited! First time mag-upgrade ng gulong. Hello mga babe, mga besh, mga bash. For today's vlog, I'm very excited dahil meron tayong panigbagong sponsor, ang Pieco Cobra. Thank you so much Pieco Cobra for trusting Motobabe PH. This is my first time na masponsoran sa ating gulong. So this is very helpful and importante talaga ang gulong sa buhay ng isang motovlogger. So I'd like to thank Pieco Cobra for trusting and supporting Motobabe PH. So, ngayon, samahan nyo ako. Kukunin natin yung gulong at itatry natin. Mga bash, mga bay. So, samahan nyo ako. Kukunin yung ating gulong. So, bibisitahin natin yung branch ng Pieco Cobra Davao. AGP Corporation. Ayan na. So, nandito tayo sa AGP Corporation warehouse. So, it is located in Barangay Alfonso, Anglongto, Lanang, Davao City. So, I'd like to thank AGP Corporation and Miss Grace from Pieco Cobra, Manila. Thank you so much for supporting Motobabe PH. Alright guys, so nandito tayo sa AGP Corporation warehouse located in Lanang, Davao City. So, tara, samahan niyo ako. Kunin natin yung tires na handog ng Pieco Cobra. AGP Corporation. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Pasok tayo sa loob. Hello po. Morning. Morning po. Alright guys, so we're here now in AGP Corporation located here in Lanang, Davao City. Dito tayo sa kanilang magandang warehouse. Ayan. Sir Mike, ayan.
Hi.
So, siya yung mag-assist sa atin dito sa AGP Corporation. So, ayan. Daming Pieco Cobra.
This is our warehouse.
Nice.
Full pack pa.
Dami-dami stocks. 80-90 by 14.
Opo. Sa pang may mga small na vehicles. 14 size na rin. KSX design and then ito yung KTN design.
KTN.
Opo.
Okay.
Gulong natin is 6 ply. And then Japan technology. And then pasado tayo sa ISO. So, international standard po tayo.
So, matibay siya at mura. So, high quality yung ano, dahil usually 4 ply lang. But here in Pieco Cobra, they're offering 6 ply quality motorcycle tires. So, and tubes. So, they're also selling tube. Pagulong natin dyan na naghahanap ng mga tires and tubes, you can go on Shopee. Just use my code. Yun yung ang code natin. So you can avail the 10% discount.
So, ilalagay natin doon, gusto mo mag-upgrade ng size, ang tires mo doon is 70-90. So, ngayon, gawin nating 80-90. Tap yung sa likod at saka sa Abante is gawin nating 70-90. So, mag-upgrade ka ng size. So,
Yay!
so napili mo ngayon is itong KSX 80-90. So, maghanap tayo ng kapares nito na 70-90.
Yes. Okay.
KSX pa rin.
Alright, perfect. So excited! First time mag-upgrade ng gulong. So after 2 years mga babe, mga dash, mga bay, first time natin mag-upgrade ng gulong dahil stock ang gulong ko and I'm very happy. We are going to upgrade our motorcycle tires and tubes.
So sa 70-90 na gulong, ang ilalagay natin is 225 by 14.
Wow, okay.
So and then sa 80-90 by 14 is ilalagay natin na tube is 250 by 14. So ito yung swak para sa kanya.
Nice. Thank you, Peco Cobra and AJP Corporation. Ayan.
So kahit long ride kayo nito, walang no worry kayo kasi
Naka 6 ply yung siya.
6 ply siya, maganda talaga yung quality. Pasado po tayo sa ISO.
Alright, so today, since we just received our motorcycle tires and tube, now we're going to change tires na. Sasamahan tayo ni Sir Mike na i-change yung tire ng ating Mio. So, tara! Alright, so hello mga babe, mga bash, mga bay. We're here in Darken Vulcanizing Shop. So, itatry natin yung quality tires ng Pieco Cobra. Going to change the front and the back tires with the Pieco Cobra motorcycle tires and tube. By the way, if you would like to get 10% discount on Shopee, just use my voucher code BABE. Ayan, nandito. So, you can use that to get 10% discount on Shopee. Alright? Arising sa likod. Back tire. Thank you, Sir Mike. And sino ka na yun, sir? Sir Mike and Sir Roland for helping me sa ating bagong gulong at saka tire. Vulcanizing Shop. Shout out! So, sa mga taga-Damosa niya, anhin na mo. So, dito sa Darken Vulcanizing Shop, I'd like to thank Kuya Ronald for assisting me and Sir Mike. Ayan, shout out. Hello mga babe, mga bash, mga bye. Alright, so I'm so happy dahil meron tayong panibagong gulong and handog ng Pieco Cobra. So I'm very excited na i-review ang gulong na ito dahil at last ngayon itatry natin sa daan. So I'm going to Bahada to get my stuff. Actually, I'm very happy dahil yung tire na to, na-try ko na siya sa rough road and na-try ko na rin siya sa ulan. So, super kapal niya dahil 6-ply na yung quality niya. 6-ply instead of 4-ply, 6-ply na. And super kapit na kapit. Pag magbe-break ako, super kapit na kapit talaga. So, very affordable and yung quality niya super nice. So, highly recommended. Thank you so much, Beko Cobra, AGB Corporation, and Miss Grace. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Hope nang-enjoy kayo sa ating pag-change ng gulong today. If you want to take advantage of 10% discount, just use my voucher code. Yung voucher code. Ayan. Alright, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy our vlog today. And thank you so much, Beko Cobra, again, Sir Mike, Sir Ronald, and Miss Grace. Thank you so much for supporting Motivate PH. By the way, sa hindi pa nakapag-like, comment, and subscribe na para laging updated sa buhay ng Lady Rider. Peace out!